Hey and welcome to Alpha. So I have now just had a live stream again where I trade live every single Monday till Friday, and you can follow every single trade I do. Today we did a lot of trades also like normal, and we did super good. Okay, but before I get to how much money we made today, all the trades and all this good stuff, make sure you join this broker. You find link below the video, and also you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count, because when you're trading together with me you will make money. Okay, I will not promise you, but I'm making money, you should be able to do so too. Okay, also I will be trading live tomorrow. That will be on another broker, but still good. There we will be trading in Discord. You find a link below the video for Discord, and the link below the Discord link there, that's the broker we're going to trade on tomorrow. Okay, but now let's get to the result of today's trading. So let's go over here. By the way, yesterday we forgot to push this button, so we're going to put that also in the end now. So today we did basically all the trades you see here. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades today, and we won 8 of them. So I always say my win rate is between 7 and 8 trades out of 10 trades, and you're spot on. So we have made a lot of profit today. My profit today is 810, but now we'll push the button up here, and there we collected that, so we got another $160, so plus 160. So our profit today is $970. How sweet is that? Because every time you're trading, you get cash back up here that you can collect. So that is how you can make some extra money also on your trading. So make sure you join me on Monday if you want to be trading on this broker together with me. Like I said, I trade every Monday till Friday. So turn on the bell notification so you never lose a video from me and you never lose a live stream. Because when I'm trading live, you can be here, and I always have an extra computer, so I see the chat. So you can write there and we'll reply to anything you're asking me for. Okay? So with that, have an amazing day. I hope I see you in the live stream tomorrow. And if not, I see you on the live stream on Monday where we're going to trade on this broker. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you later.